Hi everyone, this is Fiona, the Young Adult Librarian, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute glitter apple mason jar. It's a really cute fall decoration, and it's a container that you could also use for storing pencils or pens or whatever you would like. So let's get started. So for today's craft, you're going to need your mason jar, your clear glue, your glitter, your green paint, your paintbrush, your 2 green leaves, your twine, and you also want some surface to work on. We're going to be draining glue and glitter out, so if you want to use newspaper or a plate or a tray, we want to have something like that to work with. So first we'll take our jar. We're going to take the lid off. We don't need that for now. You want to put that aside. And our clear glue. And you don't want to use a lot of glue. You literally just want to be coating the inside of the jar. So you're going to pour it in. Like I said, not too much. So we pour it into the jar, and we're going to let it roll down to the bottom. And you very slowly want to turn the jar so the glue is going to coat the inside of the jar. If you do it slowly, that helps you avoid getting air bubbles in the glue. So we're going to do that and coat the inside. So once you have the jar coated with glue, you're going to take your tray or your plate or whatever you have, and you're going to flip your jar upside down, and you're going to let it sit on there for about 10 to 15 minutes because you want to drain out all the excess glue. We don't want to have any excess glue in here, otherwise the glitter will never dry. Okay, so now you can see I got a bunch of extra glue drained out. So you want to take your glitter, you're going to flip over your jar, and then sort of like you did with the glue, you're going to put some glitter in and then start rolling inside the jar, and then we'll add more glitter until we have the jar coated. You want to shake out your excess glitter. And you want to save just a little bit of glitter. So what we're going to do is, as before, we're going to let it sit and drain a little bit for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to add a little more glitter. So now that we've let the inside dry a little bit, you can take the remainder of your glitter, pour it inside, give it another roll around, and you can empty out the remaining glitter. And then you're going to want to let this sit aside for about an hour to make sure it's completely dry. So now you want to take your lid, and you'll see the center comes out. We don't need this part, we just need this part. And you want to take your green paint and your paintbrush, and we're just going to simply paint the outside ring green. And to get a darker green, you're probably going to have to do, I'd say, 2 or 3 coats of the green. So you want to do that and let it dry before we go on to the next step. So now that your lid is dry, you just want to put it on top, like so. And then what we're going to do is take our rope and our leaves. You just want to string your leaves onto your piece of string. Like so. And then we're simply going to wrap it around the lid, tie it, and just do a knot. Make sure you tie it tight. Then you can sort of arrange your leaves. And then we're just gonna trim off the ends here with the scissors. So here you can see my completed glitter apple mason jar. It's a really fun fall decoration and it's really easy to make. So I hope you enjoyed this craft. Stay tuned for more crafts and thanks for watching.